Hello, welcome to the 41st session. In the previous session, we have executed a query from the client-side environment. In this session, we will execute mutation from the client. For this example, we will execute the create order mutation to create a new order and obtain its detail. I have already written the GraphQL query here, so copy paste it. Create an instance of the GraphQL request. In the query, specify the GraphQL query that you want to execute. In the variable, specify the data that we will pass as a variable for this query. You can create a Poco model for this. Instead of this, I prefer to use the anonymous class. I have already created it for this request. So paste it. Using send mutation async, execute this mutation request. Now we need to create a Poco model for its response. Create a new class. Name create order details. I have already designed a class that represents the same structure. So paste it here. Using the get data field as obtain the value for create order. Save all the file and run the project. Debugger stopped at the breakpoint. Over the order details, you can see that it contains the data that we have added and only include the field that we have specified. Let's see what we have learned in this session. Using the GraphQL request, we can pass the variable along with the query. Here I have used the anonymous class, but you can also generate the Poco model for that. Also, for executing the mutation, we need to use the send mutation async method. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.